Antelopes and alley cats, those are words that begin with an A sound. Animals living in the zoo, the alphabet and an apple too. Those are words that begin with an A sound. And if by chance it happens your name is Alice, or Anne or Albert, then you can say to everybody, my name is Alice, Anne or Albert, and my name begins with the sound of the letter A. Alligators and acrobats, antelopes and alley cats, those are words that begin with an A sound. Animals living in the zoo, the alphabet and an apple too. Those are words that begin with